On this slide, we're focusing on key vocabulary related to washing clothes in a machine. We have a list of terms in column A paired with their meanings in column B, and our task is to match them correctly. For example, an appliance is a device designed to perform a specific task, and agitate means to make something move around by shaking. Understanding these words, like detergent, which is a water-soluble cleansing substance, helps us grasp the process of using a washing machine effectively. This matching activity is a great way to build a foundation for the reading ahead. Let's start by defining what a washing machine is. It's a home appliance that automatically cleans clothes without needing constant supervision. Now, separating laundry is really important because different fabrics and colors require different care. This prevents damage and color transfer during washing. To get the best cleanliness, you want to select the right washing cycle and water temperature based on the fabric care label. Overloading the machine can cause clothes to not get cleaned properly, so it's best to avoid that. Regular cleaning of the washing machine itself is essential to keep it hygienic, prevent mold, and ensure it works efficiently. Overall, this information is useful because it guides us on how to wash clothes safely and maintain the washing machine properly. Now, let's take a closer look at some common home appliances that many of us use daily. These include essentials like the washing machine, refrigerator, television, rice cooker, microwave oven, electric kettle, fan, air conditioner, iron, and vacuum cleaner. Each of these appliances plays a vital role in making our household tasks easier and more efficient. Focusing in on the electric kettle, here's how to use it safely and effectively. First, fill the kettle with clean water, but be careful not to go above the maximum level to avoid spills. Then, securely close the lid and place the kettle on its base. Switch on the power, and the kettle will heat the water until it boils and then automatically turns off. Remember to pour the hot water carefully to avoid burns, and always unplug the kettle after use for safety. This careful operation ensures both convenience and safety in our daily routine. Here we have several examples showing how to change direct questions into reported speech. Notice how the question form changes into a statement form when we report it. For instance, in the first example, Poen's question, "Are you going to store?" becomes Poen asked if I was going to the store. It's important to pay attention to pronoun changes and verb tenses. For example, when Pahlawi asks, "Is your sister coming to the party?" it remains in the present tense because the speech is reported as happening in the present. Pahlawi asks if my sister is coming to the party. Also, notice the use of if or whether to introduce the reported question. Both are correct, but whether is often used in more formal contexts, as seen in the guest inquiry about the weather. When verbs like did or does are in the original question, they are converted into past forms like had or expected in reported speech, reflecting the shift in time. For instance, "Did you finish your homework?" becomes "the teacher asked if I had finished my homework." Finally, time expressions also change accordingly, from today to that day, or this morning to that morning, to match the point of view when reporting. Understanding these changes helps maintain clarity and accuracy when using reported speech.